guys, let's start. Today, I would like to talk about the impact of the design system in marketing. And let's start from introduce. Uh, I'm Alex. I'm lead product designer in QIC, or Qatar Insurance Company. Uh, I have more than 6 years of experience in digital design. And I start pers- uh, my pursuit from the agency, and we have a lot of expertise in AR and VR project, and so we made a lot of immersive exhibitions in museum in Russia. Then I became more focused on product and have a lot of experience in retail with one of the biggest retail company in Moscow, Utkanos. Maybe you heard if you live in Moscow. And then I work in Lenta. Maybe you heard about this large retail company. It's one of the biggest in Russia. And now I'm here. I'm responsible on QSC.online in Qatar Insurance Company. We built, I guess, the best insurance platform in MENA region, in GCC region. And in every project, I believe in one thing, that systematic approach in problem solving is a key to achieving the real impactful results. And the QSC, it's not, I implement this approach as well in my team. And what we, I want to start with who is this report for, and to be a little bit like, I don't know, stand-up comedian, just raise your hands, product managers, if you are here. Okay, guys. And maybe any product designers or UX, UI. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nice. um, no one joke. Okay, and maybe marketers or marketeers here. Okay, good. So yeah, sorry. This presentation or report for 3 groups: designers, managers, and marketers. And let's start from the problems, and maybe marketers can name some problem which we faced in the product development. Maybe some of you can name something. 1, the first problem which you... Okay, no problem in development. Okay, nice. Okay, low budget. Okay, um, we can. I continue and make this topic more clear. Usually, I divide the problem in 2 groups. The first group is user-centric problem, and okay, I list some of them. For example, poor communication, lack of personalization, lack of support, poor UX or user experience, slow load times, low accessibility, and etc. Of course, the problem in different products are different, but it's the most common, I guess. And the next group is business-centric problem. The business-centric, I just mentioned a couple. High operational costs, for example, slow development cycles, insufficient scalability, and unoptimized business process. And of course, these problems don't live in a vacuum. All of us, I think, we understand that these problems have a lot of intersection, and these problems overlapped with each other. And if we try to resolve these problems, we faced with a lot of difficult communications and relations between people inside company. And if we see to this process in general, what the departments have relationship with these problems, usually it's two big departments, the marketing and the product. So sometimes we live in paradigm when marketing versus product. But today I want to change this paradigm and make marketing and product great again. So, so let's imagine that we can live both in one company, like marketing and product. And today I want to show you the different approaches, the different workflows in company and with your teams. And I start with our previous workflow. Um, so what we see here, we see the marketing team and the product stream. For my opinion, it's a pretty common structure inside company. And if we talk about the responsibility, usually the marketing team responsible for marketing campaign, SEO, and some experimental things. And if we talk about some changes which marketing team wants to implement in our product, we have in our structure the project manager in marketing team who go to product streams to make some changes. So what we have, if we talk about the workflow, the main problem is then when we come with this task from marketing, it usually seems like marketing is uh, like people who go inside from the different stage and come to product streams. They have a big um, challenge to prioritize their task in the good way. So they have, I think, sometimes conflicts of responsibility or zones of responsibility. And if we go deep inside this workflow, for example, with landing pages, I can show you the development cycle. It's standard cycle, I guess, which starts from ideation. Then, for example, web design, then content design, analytics, and handoff, development, of course, in development, testing, and something else, and then on the release. So this development cycles looks really large. And if we talk about the relationship, it looks like project manager from marketing team go to product streams to get the resources from these streams. And in general, why I talk about this topic, because it usually starts from web design or web or designer of the product streams involved in this process. And it's controversial topic for now. Uh, and I think we can optimize it. So here I just show that if you have a lot of streams in your company, which we usually have, this process are really difficult, became huge. And let's talk about the workflow B. So, which we have this workflow right now. We still have marketing team, but at the same time, inside product stream, we have a dedicated marketing product stream. Or in one phrase, it's stream about interest and engagement. So they are responsible for marketing task, but at the same time, they have a really good relationship with product because they have, for example, the meetings with product streams, and they can communicate easily. But what we resolved with this approach, the marketing product stream and that scheme became a bridge between marketing and products. So what we have right now, marketing stream, the main contributor is manager, designer, analytics, developer, and QA engineer. Um, we have right now the scheme when marketing team and product streams can list their backlog at the same time, and product manager of marketing team can prioritize this task, and then we start this long cycle of development, ideation, web design, so still long. And so how can we optimize this process? Let's talk about the design system in marketing. I can talk about a lot about the design system and what does it mean, but in general and for common audience, for general audience, we can describe it with two things: Figma templates and content management system. And Figma templates, it means that we use UI library in the Figma, which consists of templates of the blocks. We use only components approach in code. It's very important. No custom solution. And we try to be flexible with entry points, forms, and SEO. And in future, a little bit later, I'll show you how. So content management system, it means that we can manage our content without a long release cycle. We can conduct A/B tests and feedbacks from the users and pay more attention to personalization of our pages. How it looks, it's just for demonstration how our work look in the Figma. So it's some of example of the templates, for example, hero section or some banners or social proof elements and etc. Then we choose for CMS, we choose Strapi. To be honest, I don't want go deep inside this topic because we have NDA and I'm not a professional in this type of technology, but I just know that it's really comfortable to use in our case because we use framework Vue.js and it's comfortable integrate in our framework. And let's talk about the modification of workflow B. So how we make the changes really quickly in our business in the development for landing pages. I divide the whole development to two parts: preparation and delivery. And what does it mean, preparation? Preparation, it's when we talk about this long cycle, it still exists. And the preparation is when marketing team and product streams give task for us, and then we go for the standard with the standard long cycle. Let's talk about the second delivery stage. Delivery stage are really easy. It's only one step: content design and then published, without any testing, any development. So we can say that it's development-free contribution in our project. Who the main contributor in this approach? It's manager, content designer, product designer, marketing designer. We use our templates and some product analytics which we have, for example, Hotjar or something like this, to conduct researches, quick researches, and get feedbacks from our users. Let's talk about this approach with example case study: how to significantly increase organic traffic for travel insurance. And let's start. We start SEO research. So the main point is that, of course, we have travel insurance page, but we were near to the paid traffic limits. And we have a research that for our users, it's sometimes more comfortable to go directly to some direction, to specific direction. So we understood that we lost the traffic with travel insurance, for example, in specific direction in Europe, in United States, and etc., etc. And then designers get this information from the research and go to design discovery with preparation. So we prepare some templates. I show just only one because I don't want to go deep inside this long process. I show the approach which we have. Everything which we use in our templates are variables. And for example, for one case, you can use promo stickers in that way. In another case, you can use different promo stickers. You can use different titles and subtitles. So any content you can change depends on the cases. It depends on the hypothesis. And of course, we have not only variable parts like a form, but inside form, the elements which we use are also a variable. So design templates looks like this. Of course, I don't mention the Arabic version, but of course we did it. And we tried to pay more attention in micro interactions as well, because yeah, template sounds a little bit bad, I think, sometimes, but we pay a lot of attention to animation and micro interaction as well to make these templates more alive. And what we have in the last step, we remember this SEO research, we remember this design discovery process, and then this design delivery process. We have already tens of the pages like this: travel insurance for the USA, UK travel insurance, etc., etc. And just imagine, for example, we have this is example with travel, but we have, for example, car insurance, and we make the specific pages for every car model, and we analyze the most popular model in Qatar, and not only in Qatar, in the country when we are. So it significantly increase the performance of SEO. Two stages: preparation, delivery. Let's classify the tasks. For large development cycles, you go to this preparation cycle when you need a new templates preparation, when you need make a large A/B testing with new components, or when your goal is global redesign. If you don't need these hard things and you just want to test your small hypothesis, for example, test different titles, different copies, maybe order of the blocks, and something like this. So you can conduct A/B tests, you can personalize pages, you can influence to SEO optimization as well, because to be honest, we have a lot of new components in our in that work, like blog component, which build link building, which builds a huge link building inside our project. So the impact is at first increasing organic traffic. I mentioned only the main things. Today we have a really good content strategy. We pay a lot of attention to link building, and it's performed really well. From my opinion, we in general increase our performance. A/B test and product hypothesis validation, it's about A/B testing strategy and hypothesis documentation. But the main things, for my opinion, it's that inside this, let's say, conservative business like insurance, which restricts by the law and have a lot of borders, we build the experimentation culture with marketing product stream. Uh, and of course, we increase quality of solution because we use templates and we increase code quality, design consistency, and content quality. And next, efficient resources utilization. Uh, we have cross-functional collaboration, of course, before, but today we have a more healthy collaboration, I think. We can prioritize our task, our marketing task, and build the roadmap in a more clear way. And we have a huge automating repetitive tasks, a huge approach to automating repetitive tasks. So nowadays, only one product designer can make a lot of impact when he has a really good described task. And looking ahead, just a small, the future of design system and marketing. Um, Today we have Figma templates library, but it's just based on my thoughts, based on the latest news from Figma. Figma shows AI model with generative layouts for example, for A/B test, and we can also implement generative content design. For us, it's really important to make a good localization optimization. And I think that designer and product manager becomes more specific specialists who more about taste of solutions than just developer, than just worker. And thanks for your attention. If you have any questions.